Hello guys, welcome again. Today let's learn how to do this lozenge pattern. This is a beautiful fabric manipulation technique. I am using this side has my wrong side, but it also can be used as your right side. And the other side is shaped as a triangle, and I will use this side as my right side. Tutorial I am using gingham fabric, but you also can use a plain fabric. In order to work with a plain fabric, you may trace your lines. This gingham fabric, I will show you, the measurement is 1 inch by 1 inch. You can trace your lines and do it with a different fabric. For this pattern, I will use my white square and my red square as my reference. I will join the two corners from my white square, like so, and then I will go to this red square, and then I will come below and start again with the white square and then with the red square. This is the direction the movement we will do to do this pattern, exactly like so. Have here the pattern paper, and we'll start exactly here. Let's match number 1 with number 2, and then here number 3 with number 4. Again number 1 with number 2, and then number 3 with number 4. If you decide to use the lozenge pattern as your right side pattern, you may sew each square individually. You will sew the white square, you will cut your thread, then you will do the red one, you will cut your thread, and you will start again with the white square. But I will use the triangle shape, and I will show you how to sew without cut our thread. We will go between all the squares without cutting our thread. Let's start with the right square, the white square. I will introduce my needle exactly here on this corner. I will grab a bit of fabric, and then let's go to the other point. And now let's fold both and join both corners. Like so. And now let's do a safety knot to join both corners. We have the first triangle, and now let's go to this square, the red square. Let's introduce our needle on the same knot exactly here, and our needle go behind our fabric till reach this corner, this red corner. This will be our bridge to reach this square. We are ready to do the red square, and now let's do a safety knot exactly here, because we don't want to fold this bridge, we want it plain. Let's do a simple knot under the corner, like so. As you can see, this knot folds. And now let's go to the next corner, exactly here. Now we can fold the red squares on this way. And let's do a safety knot here to join both corners. We have a triangle in red, and now let's go on the same stitch and we'll start again with the white square exactly here. We are behind our fabric. Let's introduce our needle exactly here. We don't want to fold this bridge we did here, and let's do again a knot exactly here. On the same stitch we are doing knots. As you can see, we start to see our triangle. We have one triangle in white and another one in red. As you can see, I am sewing row number 1 and row number 2. And now I will show you how to go to skip to the row number 3, this one. I will finish this one, this white square. I'll keep doing the same. Join my white corners. My safety knot, and now I will go behind my fabric to reach the red square exactly here. My safety knot to keep my fabric flat. Again, my red square. Let me fold the red square, the safety knot again, to fix the two corners. And now let's skip. Let me show you. And now let's skip from the row number 2 to the row number 3. Let's go on the same stitch exactly here from behind our fabric, and we will reach this white square from the row number 3. And let's keep doing the same. We are using only the red square and the white one, and the sequence is exactly the same movements to all corners. And now it's matched this corner with this one. Let me fold the white square, my safety knot, and this is what we will have. And now to reach the next square, it's this one, the white. I will go through, the safety knot, and the last square. Let me fold it, and we'll finish this sequence exactly here, and I will show you the wrong side with the lozenges. If you want, you can do your knot twice to keep it better. This is only a tutorial. I'm not doing too much knots. And now let me cut my thread, and let's see the wrong side. As you can see, when we did the bridge to reach the corners, we have the thread hanging at the wrong side. As you can see, all the threads are here hanging. This is why I told you, if you want to use this side, the lozenge side as your front side, you may do each triangle individually. You will have the thread hanging on your right side if you are using this side. This is the way to do the lozenge pattern or the triangle pattern. And now let me show you how to keep flat your corners. As you can see here, to finish your work, when you finish all your pattern, you may join at the wrong side, matching your lines like so, and flat your fabric on this way. You will do the same, and you will flat your pattern. It's easy because you have your fabric is helping you. Look, on this side exactly the same. You will match the lines, and you can iron it, and your pattern will be flat, completely flat. I hope you had enjoyed to learn this tutorial, and see you soon. Thank you so much for watching.